This is a brand new 2013 Ford Taurus. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, leather seats, a security system, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and 7 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Ford of Mansfield is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1515 West 4th Street in Mansfield.